Wow, bravo, bravo. You are an icon now, Dora. Episode 8. Dora being praised at work. I've got a package for Miss Dora Pearson. Miss Dora Pearson?
Oh, it's me. I'm Dora Pearson.
Here you go. This is your package. Please sign your name on this form.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You have a nice day too, miss.
What's in that package, Dora?
I have no clue, Tina. It said, from the New York Police Station, number 3.
OMG! The police? What did you do?
Oh, I remembered now. They're sending me this package from the police station where I went to last week. Did you forget what happened to me last week? The thief and the old lady?
No, of course. I didn't forget anything. I'm so curious about what they sent you. Chop chop, lollipop. Open it.
All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's a letter from the police department and a certificate for my deed.
Yeah, you deserve those things for your kind deed. What did he say in the letter?
It said, Dear Dora Pearson, I'm Thomas Edwards, a chief officer at New York Police Station number 3. I have read your report and gladly know what you did for this city. It's never an exaggeration for a young, strong woman like you who is not afraid of protecting others and being brave enough to fight back against what we believe to do their harm to society. Thank you for being brave and willing to assist the unfortunate and vulnerable. Best regards, Thomas Edwards. Good day, everyone. Dora, people are extolling you for your kind act. I have contacted Mr. Thomas of the New York Police Station number 3. He thought that it would be very great if we can write an article or make a short video about what you did.
Oh, that will be a wonderful piece of news for the NYH and our team.
I can't believe it. I mean, I'm very happy to do that. Yeah, we can do it in the way to convey the message. Kindness is contagious. Cool. Every single unique idea is more than welcomed, team. I trust in your abilities. Thank you so much, Sarah, for giving us such an amazing inspiration.
No big deal, Dora.
By the way, I'm sorry for being so harsh on you. It's fine, don't worry about it.
Good morning, New York. I'm Tina Shen, reporter of health and lifestyle at the New York headlines. I'm at Main Street, down the hall of the NYH building. Have you ever been a victim of bag snatching? Pocket picking? Let's follow us on this story. Hello, madam. Can you tell the audiences who you are and what happened to you last week? I'm Lucy Anderson. I'm living in the suburbs of New York. Madam, what happened to you? Last week, I was on my way here to give my best friend some products for her birthday. There was a young girl who helped me walk me to my friends. She is a very kind girl.
We were going when the thief came and grabbed my basket. Oh, that's terrible. Yes, we were both so scared. But the young girl insisted to confront the thief. Confronting the basket snatcher. Fighting back with the bad. Who is that brave girl? That brave girl is Dora Pearson, one of the talented reporters at NYH. Please send your sincerest greeting to our citizens, Dora. Hello, New Yorkers. I'm Dora Pearson, reporter of health and lifestyle at New York Headlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dora and I are colleagues. We are working with each other every day. We have been told about her kind deed. However, Dora, please let our audiences know your side of the story.
Thank you, Tina. I'm more than happy to tell.
Officer, thank you for joining our news today.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
So, you're the one who saved our ladies from being attacked and lost their property. What did you have on your mind at that moment?
I've been working for the New York Police Station number 3 for almost 30 years now. Likewise, I've been dealing with thousands of street crimes every year. Especially pickpocketing, phone snatching, bag snatching, and so on. But this is my first time that I saw girls who dare to fight for their own rights. I understand this society has put so much pressure and labels on our women as the vulnerable. However, this is such a good sign, and I hope that there are more and more women standing up for themselves.
Yes, women deserve every chance to be as an essential part of the world. They actively participate in fields such as politics, manufacturing, in science, and they are moms and wives at home. No matter what they do, we believe that they're contributing, creating, and radiating as many positives as possible to our society. I'm Tina Shen.
And I'm Dora Pearson of the New York Headlines.
Thank you, New York.
1, 2, 3. Let's say it out loud.
Kindness is contagious.
Wow, bravo, bravo. You are an icon now, Dora.
Stop it, Jess. You're making me turn all pink.
I'm saying the truth. You're a new icon of New York's young people now. You're a feminist who is very young, educated, talented. More importantly, you have a heart full of affection. Oh, Jess, those are the nicest words I have ever been told. Thank you. I've been practicing giving people good comments. You have? You did a pretty good job, buddy.
Well, 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 who am I?
You know, I'm a natural at anything.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.